Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And if you stayed with the video and to this point, I thank you for all the support that you're giving this channel. Now, briefly before I let you go, I want to tell you about the host for this week's collaboration. Now, again, this was the Crystal Clear Sunday Tablescape Sunday collaboration. The host for this week is the lovely Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and she has a second channel now, and it's called the Decor Lady. So make sure you go and visit both of those channels today, and you will find links down in the description box. Now, the other four ladies are Miss Geraldine, and her channel is Diva Decorating. You have Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living. You have Cynthia of Cynthia ShesoBless, and Miss Mysterious Alberta. So again, I've put links to their channels as well as the playlist in my description box, and I really hope you will go and show them some love today. Also, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll subscribe today. Tap that notification bell a couple of times, and I hope that you enjoy tablescapes, home decor, DIYs, all of that, because if you do, you're in the right place. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.